Hi, my name is Michael Gulotta. We are in New Orleans, Louisiana, inside of Maypop restaurant. I am the chef partner of Maypop and Mopho. Mopho is more of a neighborhood joint. We opened it with the idea of being a restaurant for service industry people. Food that's simple, yet well-made, cocktails that are simple but well-made, where you can tell that love has been put into it, but it comes out fast and it's hot and it's delicious. Maypop is our second restaurant. It's a little bit more back into the high end that I trained in for years, but still with an atmosphere that's relaxed enough to where it doesn't have to be sort of draconian and intense all the time. At Running Kitchens is all about finding out what motivates people, what motivates the cooks, what motivates the servers, what motivates the sommelier, what motivates the manager. Because I came from some chefs who, you know, if they had a undercooked potato, they might throw it at you. Or if you served a sorbet that was incorrect, they might pull your hair or something like that. After time, it didn't sit right with me, and so I always thought, man, I'm not angry enough to throw a potato at someone. It's just not worth it. And so I learned instead how to motivate people by sort of feeling them out and figuring out what gives them gratification. So talking to someone every day, learning about who they are and what makes them happy, then you can work with them and find ways to get through to them, to make them come in and I don't know, be a better version of themselves when they come to the door every day, ready to have a good service, and then making sure that they get that time off. You know, when I came up as a tournant, as a commis, I never had a day off because I was one of those guys that wanted to be the pinch hitter. I wanted to be the one. I wanted to be the cleanup guy. I wanted to be the one that was always excelling. So I did that so well that if I wanted a Saturday off, it wasn't going to happen. I can still remember requesting a Saturday off for 4 weeks in advance because there was something I really wanted to do, and then someone called out and they're like, we need you to be here. We can't go through a Saturday night service without you. And suddenly it's another week where I had no days off. And so I tried to ever let that happen now. And when I was running Restaurant August, it was the same way. Everyone got their 2 days off. Sometimes at the expense of my days off, but I made sure that everyone got their rest and everyone was mentally sound when they came in, you know. That way, when they came in, they had the energy to push through a hard shift. And I carry that over now to where I am today with my restaurants.